Hello friends, this is Durga from itversity. As part of this video, I will show some important components which will help you in the pursuit of preparing certifications through my online courses. So as part of itversity, we build a platform called labs.itversity.com. You just see the link here. Let me highlight the URL real quick. So this is the URL, https labs.itversity.com. And what it does is it provides you access to a multi-node cluster. Okay, and let me show you the cluster first, and I will show you how to sign up and start using this multi-node cluster for your purpose. So I'm logging in here, and you can see the cluster details. It has 10 nodes in it, and you can see each node is at least 32 GB RAM and 8 cores. So it's a pretty solid state-of-the-art multi-node cluster with all the services that are required for most of the certifications, such as HDPCD Spark, CCS Spark and Hadoop Developer, HDPCD, No Java, almost all certifications. If you need hands-on practice, we have all the services that are required for them. And also you can use this for exploring any other big data technologies, even though you are not preparing for the certification. So if you need access to this 10 node cluster, you have to hop on to labs.itversity.com. You have to sign up. There is a local sign up where you click on this link and provide the email ID, password, which you want to set it. And once you are done with it, you will get access to it. You can also use social authentication such as Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And once you sign up using one of the social networking platforms or a local sign up, for the first time, when you don't buy the subscription, you will go to this page. And here are the plans. If you want to subscribe for 1 month, it is $15. For 3 months, it's $35. For 6 months, it's $55. Okay, and you can click on enroll now once you sign up, and it will go through PayPal gateway, and you can pay money through credit card or whatever way you want. Once you complete that, once you complete the enrollment, it will take you to this page. Okay, and for the first time, you will see an option to create user with auto-filled username. If it is not unique, it will complain that username not available. You just have to make it unique and then click on create user, and then you will get access to the 10 node cluster which I have shown here. Okay, and also you will start seeing the credentials like this. This is the username for the lab, this is the password, and there are multiple ways to connect to the lab. Either you can click on open console here, which will work on Safari or Firefox or Chrome. It might not work with Internet Explorer, but Chrome and Firefox, it will work for sure. Safari, it started working recently. Earlier it used to not to work, but recently it started working. Make sure you see this prompt, GW01 login. If it does not, just refresh it and you will get it. And then you can get the username and password from here also. The same things which you see here are available here as well. And then you can copy that and make sure this is the full, the red rectangle is full before pasting the stuff from the buffer, especially password. It is a bit confusing. Now if you just use shift insert or command V to paste in Mac, it will not work. You have to first click on this and make sure the rectangle is full, and then use shift insert on Windows laptop, or right click and paste, or if it is Mac, you just use command V and hit enter, and you will be able to log into the lab. Okay, from here you can launch Spark Shell or PySpark or Hive, whatever technology you want to explore, you can do that. You got the access to the gateway to the 10 node cluster. If you don't want to use this web console, you can also use any client tools such as Mac terminal, Linux terminal, Windows PuTTY, or Cygwin. Anything which can be used to connect via SSH can be used. And then you can go to the terminal. I'm on Mac and I'm using Mac terminal, and we can use ssh command like this with the username which we have got from the labs.itversity.com, and then at the rate hostname is gw01.itversity.com. okay, and then hit enter. It will prompt you for the password. You just have to paste the password from here, copy password and then paste it, and you will be able to log in. So this one which is in Mac terminal and this one are same. We just use two different tools to get onto the same thing. Okay, so this is how you can connect to the lab. And in case if you run into any issues while practicing or while connecting to the lab, we need to support those things because you are our paid customers. And for that purpose, we have a platform called discuss.itversity.com. It's a forums-based website, and you can log the issues over here, and our team will be support you without any issues. And here, before writing the topic, make sure you change the category to big data labs if it is technical issues with respect to labs, such as not able to connect to the lab or not able to launch a service such as Hive, Scoop, etc. Then make sure you categorize under big data labs, and then click on new topic, and then make sure big data labs category is here, and then you can type the issue and provide the details about the issue. Also, if you need technical issues while learning any technology such as Spark, make sure you choose appropriate category. For example, if it is Spark, it is big data technology. So the main category is big data, and then you have to choose Apache Spark, and then you can actually start creating the topic for whatever issue you are running into. If you do not categorize properly, then it might be it might delay for us to respond to those questions. If it is any programming language issue, there is a main category called programming language, and these are the languages which we support as of today: Scala, Java, and Python. You can start writing the issues in these categories as well. Okay, and then we will try to answer all our questions as much as we can. There is a team of people who will be watching these categories, and also volunteers who will be supporting this, and we will try to respond as quickly as possible. Also, once you log the topic, if we are not able to respond, you can sign up to this Telegram chat. Okay, it will not work in Safari, so I am opening Chrome here, and you can go to this Telegram chat, and you can join here. And whenever you once you join the channel, whenever you want to communicate to us that your issue is not looked upon, you just provide us the link of the discussed topic so that we can actually have a look into it and get the issue resolved as quickly as possible. The channel is primarily the chat group or channel is primarily created for resolving the issues on discuss.itversity.com. That is the sole purpose of this Telegram group. That being said, I hope you will be enjoying all my courses, which will be provided using these labs for hands-on practice purposes. And if you need environment, you can subscribe to or enroll for the lab as per these plans, and we can take it from there. Thank you. Bye.